Welcome to busybeegyankosh. We all love parties, right? We all love parties and we love to call our friends over the party. So today we are going to do some craft activity. What we are going to do? We will make a handmade invitation card for kids party. For that you will require a square sheet which has all four sides should be equal, and you will need small circles of different colors, small circles, marker, black and red, fevistick. First take a square sheet and place it in front of you like this. These 2 points should be in front of you. You need to join these 2 points. You will get a straight line over here. So you need to join these 2 points. Just gently join it and press it. So you will get a triangle shape and you will get a line in between. Can you see this line? You'll get this line. Now you need to hold the upper point and you need to join these two lines. Fold it like this. So it should come in the center where we got a line. It should touch that. Same way the other side. Fold it like this and press it. See, you'll get something like this. And we need to make a face over here. And this is Joker's gap. Now take a marker, black color marker, and we will make eyes. Make a circle, one more, eyebrows, and you need to fill these two circles half. You need to fill half only, like this way. Other eye also. Now take red color marker and make a small circle. So this is Joker's nose. And make a smiley like this. So this is mouth. Now you need to take small circles, colorful circles which we have. You need to take these and stick it with the help of glue all over the cap. You can take colors of your choice. Any colors you can take. Just place it randomly. You will get something like this. When you will fold this cap from the top, it will get sealed, so it will not open. Fold like this, and when you open it, you can write your invitation over here. Whom you want to invite, date, time, place. Your card is ready now. Hope you have liked it.